Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading out to one of my favorite trails in Waterton Lakes National Park, the stunning Lineham Falls. This hike is about 8.5 kilometers round trip with roughly 350 meters of elevation gain. It's considered moderate, and most people finish it in about 2 to 3.5 hours, depending on pace and photo stops. The trailhead is along the Akamina Parkway, just a short drive from the Waterton town site. From the very start, the scenery grabs you. You step into this almost surreal forest of blackened tree trunks, leftovers from past wildfires. New life is everywhere. As you make your way up, you start hearing the gentle sound of water. There are a few small creeks along the way. The trail keeps changing. 1 minute you're in wide open meadows with big blue skies above, and the next you're shaded under tall pines, breathing in that fresh mountain air. Tiny green plants and colorful wildflowers push up through the soil, adding a beautiful contrast to the charred landscape. About halfway in, you'll spot a small waterfall tucked into the rocks. It's like the trail's way of saying, "You're on the right path, keep going." The last stretch is steady uphill, and you can hear the deep roar of Lineham Falls before you even see it. And then, there it is. A massive curtain of water spilling down a sheer cliff face with cool mist drifting in the breeze. It's one of those moments that makes the whole hike worth it. If you visit, make sure to bring water, a snack, and definitely your camera. You're going to want to capture this one.